Have metal inserts designed to provide the best possible fit to ensure maximum conductivity between the distributor towers and spark plug wires. Easy to read locator keys on caps make proper installation simple. Equipped with a full anti-arc barrier to reduce the possibility of secondary voltage arcs that can cause an engine to misfire. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Certainty starts here. ACDelco maintenance and repair parts are tested to rigorous standards and backed by GM so you and your vehicle can go the distance. Top reviews from the United States. Hard start and no start problem solved. After watching a video on YouTube about common Chevy big block no starts, I chose to order a set of cap and rotor to replace. Within 1 hour my truck was running again and starts in a flash. Thanks Video Public for showing me how to keep from spending hundreds at a repair shop. This part was delivered in a week and was competitively priced as an OEM part.